Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are tuning in from. Welcome. You're on with Doing the Most with Danya. So glad to have you here on this Tuesday. And I had this great aha moment. I had my dental appointment this morning, and I get a lot of inspiration for what's going on in my day-to-day and what's happening. And I thought, you know what, this is something that I definitely want to pass on, not sitting in the dental chair, but people who have to decide what healthcare that they actually need. When we look at our insurances, right? We look at our car insurance, we're looking at our health insurance, dental insurance, life insurance. There's so many different things out there that maybe we have to pick and choose at different times. And I thought this is a great opportunity to go ahead and talk about a residual income stream as well as an affiliate program that I know about, and I have a heart for being able to share that. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Danya. I like to go by Doing the Most with Danya. And my passion and goal is to help you live and design your lifestyle freedom, however it is that you define that for yourself. But just know, by having a turnkey online business, it's going to afford you the opportunity to be empowered to be able to have more money, more time for yourself, and other options and choices that maybe you just didn't realize that was out there for you. And there's my aha moment for today, for Tell Me, Teach Me Something Tuesday. Okay, so if you're out there, go ahead and give me some thumbs up, some hearts, some likes. Would love to be able to interact with you. And I always ask that you go ahead and pay this forward, meaning share this out with somebody else who may need to hear it. So I want to share with you today just how you can actually have those things, those different insurances, and not have to pick and choose. What if you could actually, let me go ahead and turn this off here so we don't get buzzed. There we go. What if you could actually have a residual income business where the company was paying you outright as a bonus, not as part of your already residual income that you have every week, on a monthly basis, paying you out a bonus so that you could afford to be able to have what you want to choose for those different insurances, however it is that it fits into your lifestyle. Would you want to know more about that? Would you be open to hearing that? So there's a couple of things that I just was thinking about, and I said, let me go ahead and share this with you, that if you do these few things, there is a way to actually be able to have this company pay for those insurances in advance. Now, do you guys know who Zig Ziglar is? He's a motivational speaker. He died maybe about 15 years ago or so, but world-renowned known. Several books out there. The one that I received was called See You at the Top. It's still a great bestseller. I know that they've probably revamped that. But what Zig Ziglar said is, when you help enough people get what they want, you essentially get what you want. And that's because you're actually helping other people, and you're teaching them and showing them what you've already learned, and we're able to pass that on. It's just like, think about your home life and your kids, and you're sharing life experiences and what needs to happen to be able to, for them to get to the next step. Now, here's the thing. Our kids don't always listen to us, right? Because we know that's part of adolescence and growing up. But we want the best. And as we help each other in our adulthood, in our adult life, and learn that there are other options and opportunities outside of the four walls that we live in, and just thinking outside of the box, and how you can actually have your money work for you. And that's the biggest thing, isn't it? When we talk about living a lifestyle, however that is, again, that you define for yourself, what about having better options to invest back into yourself that you can actually be fruitful and replenish out? Okay? So what I want to invite you to do is think about this. Think about if you had the choice to be able to pay for the insurance out of your paycheck. Maybe the company gives you a break because they get those bulk packages, but still you're paying on that. Would you rather have all that be paid out, you paying that out, or an opportunity to have some extra income that's going to be able to pay for that, those insurances, whatever that is? Here's the other thing to look at it. What if the insurances that you want, you want it to increase that, but that was way out of your comfort level. You didn't want to take the bare minimum. You wanted to have the best. Nothing's better than having the best, right? But you just needed some extra income to help that and get over that. Would that help you out? Or better yet, What if in your residual income business, this turnkey business that I will give you some information on, what if that turnkey business can actually pay you in a bonus because you met the minimum expectations? And think about this, meeting the minimum expectations means that you already are achieving free products that's going to go for you, for your family. You're not actually putting anything else out. It's just, as Zig Ziglar said, you're helping other people just learn what you learned how to do, and everybody is can be able to receive that same result. Isn't that powerful? Isn't that powerful? So why not utilize your time, your resources, your knowledge that you're gaining here to be able to help yourself, your family, and somebody else's family as well, and be able to pass that on so that you can get that for free. And what I mean by free, I'm not making any income claims or anything. I'm just saying if you follow the model and follow the suit, it's very easy to be able to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna, but I have a short, quick step, I wanna say formula, but quick step mapped out plan so that you can actually have this for yourself. And as I was, like I said, I was sitting there at the dental office and thinking about the insurance, and because we were having the conversation about payments and insurance and how plans are going up, but then you're getting less services. Get that, right? Your payments are going up, but you're getting less services covered for all that's going up. And it's like, what is it that I'm paying for? And if you're like stuck and you're like, I just need to be able to get this covered, and you can't figure that out, think outside of the box and look at how this can actually fit into your lifestyle without changing what you're currently doing, just devoting a few hours of your time to be able to share and show somebody else what you learned how to do. And so I've actually written that out as far as some steps to be able to follow, and I can work with you on that. All you have to do is just comment below the word insurance, because that's what we're talking about. We're ensuring that you're covered. We're ensuring that your family is covered in whatever insurances you are, so that you don't have to pick and choose, or you don't have to say, I can only afford this, because life happens, and in different life circumstances, we want to be able to meet those. Wouldn't you agree? Be able to meet where it is that we want to be able to show up. We don't want to have to pick and choose between, being totally broke with something that's happened because we didn't have insurance, and having to take out loans or payments or coverage for something like that, or being without, versus having that extra so that you can feel comfortable and knowing that you and your family are taken care of. Okay, think about that as the difference between the two. So just another way that I want to come at you here and talking about how turnkey online business can be able to help you with some of those basic things that we didn't even know about. Now, great, if you don't need that, that's cool, but know that it's there and it's available. And here's the key part. The company just pays you into your bank account. It's up to you to select whatever company that you choose. So however you want to spend that money, it's yours. Okay, I say for overall health, wellness, and being able to build wealth and build a legacy for your family, utilize that how you want to be able to invest that back into yourself, into your home. All right. Well, Lisa, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm actually getting ready to tune off here. I am going live in another platform, so you're welcome to catch me there. And I just wanted to come on here and say, my aha moment as I'm sitting in that dental chair when they were talking about insurance and other coverages, and I overheard other conversations about how premiums were going up, but we're getting less coverage. This was the aha moment. So take that little bit of extra income that you can actually receive for that, and just know that that can also be free because of following the system and the plan to be able to do that. And as I said, Zig Ziglar said, when you help other people get what they want, you get what you want. And that's not being selfish. That's just showing somebody else what you already learned how to do and being able to pay that forward and pass that on. All right. So if this isn't for you, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and like this and share this out. Even though I said it's not for you, but do me a favor, because you never know who needs to hear it and how it's going to help and bless somebody else, okay? Thank you so much, Lisa, for watching and tuning in. Going to sign off here. You guys take care. Have a great rest of your day. I do have a teammate who's going to be coming on here in 45 minutes, I believe, at the top of the hour, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and just giving you some overall information that's going to be able to help you, and I'll put that in the chat below so that you have that information. But in the meantime, don't forget, comment the word insurance. That way I'll know the information that I need to send you so we can go ahead and get you started. And at least get in the know. Get in the know of how things can work out on your behalf. And that's just by making a change, making a shift, looking at something outside of the box and being different. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Appreciate the thumbs up, the hearts, and the likes. I appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.